Hi guys, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to make a wooden shoe rack holder. This is part 2. If you haven't already watched part 1, make sure you checked it out. So let's get into the project. So now all the glue is pretty much dry on this. I've taken off all the clamps. So now we're just going to cut a little curve on the very top to make it look really nice. So I'm just going to use the coping saw and cut it out. So now the top is all curved out. So now we're just going to put these little pieces on. I've drawn some lines across here, here, and here, and then we're just gonna glue it on there. So on the bottom, on every bottom of each one. So then the pieces which go up can rest in it. So let's do that. It's finally almost done. The only thing I need to do now is glue it all up and then varnish it, and I've done. So it's so cool. So this is me gluing it up. Hope you enjoy. It's all glued up now. It's looking really good. So I can't drive any screws in here because the chuck of my drill is too fat to fit. So I won't be drilling any holes and I won't be driving any screws on here. So I'm just fingers crossed that the glue will hold. And another problem which I have is that these bolts are cupped, but when they're all glued down, they're actually really quite stable on here, so that's good. So now I'm just gonna So the shoe rack holder is finally done. These are a few shots of what it looks like and some information about what next week's video will be about. That's it for today. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.